It's so cute. I'm obsessed with this thing. It's adorable. But
it's great.
But I have fine hair.
Yeah.
Is it going to be like strong enough for a blowout?
Yeah. This is, it's 1,000 watts. So, and I want you to feel in a second. Here, I'm going to put it on high.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
Yeah.
So it's definitely strong enough. It's great to have on the go. You don't have to pack a big dryer. You can have it wherever you want. I love that. Yeah. So, and as far as getting volume into your fine hair, I'll give you a couple tricks with it too, right? I'm going to start with the embellish foam. Okay. It's just one pump. Let me let you hold that a second. Mm-hmm. I always rub it all the way in my hands. Okay. And the most important thing, that was one pump, because you never want too much in one spot.
Yeah, I feel like I always put my product in one spot.
Right. So I'm literally getting into the root because that's where we need the lift.
Yep.
And then I'm just working it through the rest of it. Okay. And you do one pump at a time. Like at this point now, I have it in your root real nice. Mm-hmm. I don't feel like I don't have any more on my hand. So I only think at your length, I need like a half a more pump. Okay. Because I just want to make sure then I have it in the ends as well. So you do want to start, you know, with the embellished foam to get as much volume and to get that volume to last.
Yep. Less is more. I've always done 2 to 3 pumps.
Yeah, no, less is more. It's concentrate. It's perfection.
Yes.
So the first step of the blow dry is the easiest. Okay. We need to get all these roots lifting up, right? Yep. So we're going to lift everything up just with our hands so that every root is dry. And we're going to do that on top. So we're just going to pull up and really get that lifted. And really get that root lifted everywhere.
Got it.
All right, you do.
Okay.
See the difference?
Yeah.
All right, so great job.
It's now so big.
Right? Then you got all of that lifted already. The root is going up, and you're about 85% dry. Yeah. And now this is when we go in with the round brush. I'm going to show you the easiest way to round brush, and this is how you're going to get really great volume. Okay. Okay, so your first section is just from the back of the ears so that just the nape is out. Okay. All right? And because you're saying you're not that great with the round brush, what you're going to do is this back one is just 2 sections. Okay. You're going to literally put the round brush in. Brush through the section, make sure it's not knotty. You know, get this going, and then you can just blow dry this. And then pick up your dryer and just dry the section. So you don't have to be a professional. Yeah. Cute. All right, so you go ahead and put the other side in.
Giving me the left side.
Okay. And lift really high. That's great. Nice and high. See how you can just put it in beautifully? Yep.
So then do I
all the way in? You get those ends in. You see those ends? Make sure they're rolled in nice. Perfect. Okay. Woo! You did it! Your first round brush attempt.
I know.
The whole thing and lift higher. The higher you lift that root area,
the more
volume you're going to get.
Got it.
Whereas the hair is longer, you can wind out a little bit and dry. You don't release it yet. Make sure it's all dry. And then wind in again. And come on top of it, you know, make sure that you're not frizzing all the way. Yeah.
Ooh, I'm like a pro now.
You thought you couldn't use a round brush.
I didn't think I could. Now I can.
So that was the second section, which was 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And then you just come right here where the recision is. Okay. We take that. That's the top. So we're doing the same thing. You're going to pick up, but this one's going to be 1, 2, probably 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we got a bigger circumference.
Got it.
So you can grab this one and start there.
Okay.
Lift up really high. That's the best. Everybody lifts. The more you over direct that up, the more volume you're going to get.
think I did. Was that one good?
Yeah.
Oh,
look.
there it is.
You got it. You got the hang of this.
I know.
Lift up high. Yeah. Everybody, it's a natural thing to want to come out.
Come out.
But really, you want to go high.
Yep.
Down tight so that one last pop. Ooh! Look at all that lift you're getting. Putting this one in like this, just like you did, and we're gonna do 3 of those.
Oh,
okay.
okay.
And then you're done. You're just gonna put them in.
Okay.
Straight up in the air with volume and blow dry.
Okay.
So I'll let you grab this. Ooh. There you go.
Ooh.
Is that volume?
Yeah. I've never had this much volume.
Look at that.
I know.
You did your own blowout. Looks like a salon blowout.
It's even better than a salon blowout. And I did it myself.
It's amazing.
With the GoGo.
Good job.
It's so cute.